Here is an example that is very similar to some of your homework problems. So in those problems, two sets are specified, and they are actual sets of numbers. In this case, we have A and B that are, A is specified as the set containing the numbers 1 and 4, and B is the set containing the numbers 2, 3, and 5. And what you're given is some abstractly defined set, which is what I have here. And your goal is to fill in a set that is equal to this set over here that has just the elements of this set. So what the Zybook calls roster notation. So what that means is over here, your answer is going to be a set, and this is required because if we have a set over here and we're saying they're equal, then it has to be a set over here. And what are the elements in this set? Well, this tells us right here that they're ordered pairs. So you're going to have an ordered pair, who knows what, just yet. An ordered pair, who knows what, just yet. But that's the idea. We're trying to find something like that. Okay, now make sure your answer has these brackets around it, because then it won't because if it doesn't, then it won't actually be equal. Right? A bunch of points, a list of points is not the same thing as a set of points. All right, so let's figure this out. Remember that this right here, when we use the set builder notation, this specifies our universe. This is where we want to restrict our view. So this is our universal set. So the way I would go about this problem is I would first write out the elements of my universal set. So let's write all these out. So you have 1 put together with 2, 1 put together with 3, and 1 put together with 5. And then you also have 4 put together with 2, 4 put together with 3, and 4 put together with 5. All right, so now we know our universal set. This is, and if you want to put them in a box, right, now it feels more like a universal set, U. That's perfectly fine. Now, remember, we're looking for all the things in this universal set that have this defining property, right? This is the defining property. Okay, so now looking at all these things in our universal set, our restricted view is we're just looking at these things. We want all the ones for which A is less than B. And the way we've written these is that A comes before B. So we want all the things whose X coordinate is less than the Y coordinate. And so now we could go through. Let's look at the first one. 1, 2. Is 1 less than 2? Yes. So we'll keep it. Let's look at the next one. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. So we'll keep it. Is 1 less than 5? Yes. So we'll keep it. Now moving down to 4, 2, 4, 3, and 4, 5. Is 4 less than 2? No. Throw that out. Is 4 less than 3? No. Throw that out. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, so we'll keep it. So our answer remember, we have to write it using the set bracket notation, is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, and 4, 5.